Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal na miyam the Global Standard Eye Surgery ki treatment pinabagi pandam da RIMS ki Department of Ophthalmology da Modular Operation Theatre Complex amasung NDYZ laser machine install tawkre. Operation Theatre amasung laser machine asi RIMS ki Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana ngasi sangaduna mathau tawba hawan kibani. Taramadu da Director Sunil Kumar na hai Mit ki laying the Kwaidagi Faba Makalgi Kudong Chaba Pinabagi Damak Hangdokliba Modular Operation Theatre Complex si Awang Nongpok Lamdam Singi Lady Balayanga ki Oibas Setup Singi Manungda Masisu Amane Masino Ophthalmic Surgery Care da Yamna Henna Faba Anabada Akaiba Lehendaba Amadi Lying Bada Henna Lahin Bangam Lagani Haiki Loinel Taurang asi Mai Park na bahot na bada Togdang Yakiba Department asige Faculty Singbusu Director asina Thagat Pafungdoki. Taramuda the RIMS ki Mari Lainaba Official Sing Department asige Doctor, Nurse Amadi Staff Singsu Sarukyaki.
Is a symbol of our commitment to excellence in surgical care, designed with advanced infection control measures, high efficiency air filtration and modern surgical infrastructure. This facility will significantly enhance the safety, precision and efficiency of ophthalmic surgery. It is a forward leap to our efforts to ensure that every patient who walks in this hospital through our doors receives a world-class treatment. Equally important is the commission of NDYZ laser machine, a crucial addition that will benefit the patients suffering from posterior capsular ossification and other laser requiring ophthalmic surgeries.
Taramadu the Saruyakiba Department asige Head Dr. Y Jingsu Ngambana Department asige Anoba equipment kaya hapchinduna Manipur gidanatana atopa state sing overall healthcare da achauba kana ba piba ngamlagani haina nungai ba phongdoki loina na PG tawriba resident doctors sing the excellent academic atmosphere ama piba ngamlagani amadi faculty sing na thabak tawbada henna nungai halagani haina phongdoki.
I am sure with all this it will immensely help in the overall patient care of not only the state of Manipur, we do cater to patients from outside the state. It will also provide an excellent academic exposure for our post-resident students and provide an ideal work environment for our faculty members.